Welcome to the Power Within podcast, where we uncover the hidden potential within us all. I'm your host, the Pow3r Wi7hin channel, and today, we're about to embark on a journey of personal growth and transformation. Get ready to dive into a world of possibilities as we present to you Unlock Secrets to Lucky Person Mindset, New How To. In this episode, we're going to unravel the magic behind the lucky person mindset and explore how it can transform every aspect of your life. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. And if you're looking for even more inspiring content, don't forget to check out the Pow3r Wi7hin channel on your favorite podcast platform. So, what's in store for this episode? Let me give you a sneak peek into our outline. In Section 1, we'll set the stage by introducing the lucky person mindset and why it matters in a world filled with uncertainties. Section 2 will take us deeper into the mindset, exploring its core elements and how lucky individuals stand out in their approach to life. In Section 3, get ready for a dose of science as we delve into the intricate connection between luck, mindset, and cognitive biases. Section 4 is all about practicality. We'll guide you through nurturing the lucky person mindset in your daily routine, offering tips to cultivate gratitude, resilience, and adaptability. And in Section 5, the heart of this episode, we'll explore how the lucky person mindset can transform every facet of your life. We'll discuss the power of shifting perspectives, the significance of mindfulness and goal setting, and how taking inspired action can lead to personal growth. As we wrap up, in Section 6, we'll remind you that adopting the lucky person mindset is a continuous journey. It's about more than just positive thinking, it's about embracing a mindset that empowers you to create your own luck. So, get ready to unlock the secrets to a more positive and fulfilling life. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's dive into Section 1 and start our exploration of the lucky person mindset. In a world filled with uncertainties and challenges, our perspective plays a profound role in shaping the course of our lives. That's where the lucky person mindset comes in. It's not about relying on luck as a mere chance, but about adopting a set of attitudes and behaviors that pave the way for positive outcomes. Throughout this podcast, we'll dive deep into the essence of the lucky person mindset and uncover how it can truly unlock the secrets to a more fulfilling and fortunate life. Our mindset, after all, is the lens through which we perceive the world and navigate its twists and turns. So, why is mindset so crucial? It's because our thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes determine how we react to challenges and opportunities. By embracing a lucky person mindset, we equip ourselves to overcome obstacles and seize the unexpected chances that come our way. In the upcoming episodes, we'll explore each facet of this mindset. We'll understand what sets lucky individuals apart, discover the science behind how our beliefs shape our perception, and learn practical strategies for nurturing and integrating this mindset into various aspects of our lives. Whether it's your career, relationships, health, or personal development, the lucky person mindset has the potential to elevate every area of your life. So, stay tuned as we uncover the secrets that can help you create your own luck and embrace a life filled with joy, success, and boundless opportunities. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Welcome back to our podcast on unlocking the secrets of the lucky person mindset. In this section, we'll dive deep into what sets lucky individuals apart and uncover the unique mindset that distinguishes them from the rest. The lucky person mindset isn't just about chance, it's a deliberate way of thinking and approaching life. At its core are three key factors that define this mindset: a positive attitude, unwavering resilience, and a keen openness to seize opportunities. Imagine facing challenges with a glass-half-full mentality. That's the power of a positive attitude, a hallmark of the lucky person mindset. Lucky individuals maintain a consistently optimistic outlook on life. They believe that good things will happen to them, and this belief often becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. By focusing on the potential for positive outcomes, they set themselves up for success. Resilience is another pillar of the lucky person mindset. Rather than allowing setbacks to define them, lucky individuals see challenges as temporary roadblocks and opportunities for growth. Their ability to bounce back quickly and maintain determination in the face of adversity sets them on a unique path towards success. But it doesn't stop there. Lucky people possess a remarkable openness to opportunities. They're naturally curious and receptive to the world around them. This trait allows them to notice chances that others might overlook, ultimately making the most of unexpected situations and creating favorable outcomes. Gratitude, adaptability, and embracing serendipity are common traits that make up the lucky person mindset. Those who embody this mindset appreciate the positive aspects of their lives, no matter how small, cultivating an attitude of gratitude. Their adaptability enables them to navigate changing circumstances with ease, while embracing serendipity lets them welcome unexpected events as sources of positive change and growth. In this section, we've uncovered the elements that make the lucky person mindset truly unique. The positive attitude, resilience, and openness to opportunities form the foundation, while gratitude, adaptability, and embracing serendipity solidify the mindset. As we continue our journey through the lucky person mindset, stay tuned for practical insights and strategies on how to integrate these traits into your life for a more fulfilling and fortunate journey. Welcome to the enlightening world of the science behind luck and mindset. In this section, we'll delve into the fascinating interplay between our cognitive processes and the way we perceive luck. Let's journey through the intriguing concepts that shed light on how our mindset can shape our experiences. Have you ever noticed how your perception of luck can sometimes be influenced by your own thought patterns? This is where cognitive biases come into play. These mental shortcuts can lead us to make judgments that might not always align with reality. Consider the confirmation bias, where we tend to notice events that confirm our existing beliefs. If you see yourself as unlucky, you're more likely to remember negative instances, reinforcing that perception. On the other hand, the hindsight bias makes past events seem more predictable than they actually were. These biases show how our mindset can color our interpretation of luck. Positive emotions are not only uplifting but also impact how we perceive the world. Enter the broaden and build theory by Barbara Fredrickson. When we experience positive emotions like happiness and gratitude, our cognitive scope widens. We become more open to considering various thoughts and actions. This expanded thinking enhances our ability to spot luck and seize opportunities that might have gone unnoticed otherwise. Moreover, positive emotions initiate a cycle of growth, fostering a mindset that attracts more positivity and resilience in the face of challenges. Ever heard of the reticular activating system? Think of it as your brain's personal filter. This system helps us manage the constant influx of information by focusing our attention on specific stimuli. When we set our minds to notice something, like a new car model, the ROS kicks in, heightening our awareness. This ties closely with selective attention, where our mindset influences what we pay attention to. Adopting the lucky person mindset primes our brain to recognize and acknowledge fortunate events that come our way, reinforcing the belief that luck is present in our lives. In this section, we've uncovered the powerful dynamics between cognitive biases, positive emotions, and the brain's selective attention system. By understanding these mechanisms, you gain valuable insights into how your beliefs and emotions shape your perception of luck. This knowledge empowers you to actively enhance your ability to perceive and embrace luck in your life. Stay tuned for more eye-opening revelations in the journey toward the lucky person mindset. Welcome to Section 4 of our podcast, where we delve into practical strategies for nurturing the lucky person mindset in your daily life. Just as a garden requires care and attention to flourish, so does your mindset. Let's explore some actionable tips to cultivate this positive outlook. Cultivating gratitude and positivity. Start your journey by embracing gratitude. Take a few moments each day to reflect on the things you're thankful for. Whether it's a warm cup of coffee or a supportive friend, these small moments of appreciation shift your focus toward positivity. Positive affirmations and self-talk. Your thoughts shape your reality. Incorporate positive affirmations into your routine. Replace self-doubt with empowering statements that reinforce your worth and potential. Over time, this rewires your brain for positivity and optimism. Building resilience and adaptability. Embrace challenges as stepping stones to success. Instead of letting setbacks define you, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. This shift in perspective fosters resilience, helping you bounce back stronger and more determined than ever. Embracing failure as learning opportunities. Failure is a natural part of any journey. Embrace it as a chance to gather valuable lessons and insights. This perspective allows you to maintain a proactive attitude and approach obstacles with an open mind. Stepping out of comfort zones. Growth happens beyond the boundaries of your comfort zone. By trying new experiences, you invite opportunities to come your way. Whether it's learning a new skill or exploring a different path, stepping out of your comfort zone opens doors you might have never imagined. Expanding connections and networking. Connections are key to attracting opportunities. Surround yourself with individuals who uplift and inspire you. Engage in conversations, exchange ideas, and share experiences. Networking isn't just professional. It's about forming relationships that lead to unexpected paths. Embrace these practical strategies to nurture your lucky person mindset. Remember, transformation is a journey, not a destination. By consistently practicing gratitude, maintaining a positive outlook, and adapting to challenges, you'll pave the way for a more fortunate and fulfilling life. Stay tuned for more insights in our upcoming sections. Welcome to Section 5 of our podcast, where we delve into the transformative power of the lucky person mindset. Get ready to unlock a world of positive change and boundless opportunities. Imagine a life where challenges become stepping stones and setbacks are viewed as setups for something greater. This is the essence of the lucky person mindset. But how do we integrate this mindset into every aspect of our lives? It all begins with shifting perspectives. By embracing positivity and adopting an optimistic outlook, we reshape the way we perceive the world around us. Challenges no longer appear as roadblocks but as opportunities for growth and learning. Through this shift, personal transformation becomes not just a possibility, but a reality. But it doesn't end there. Mindfulness becomes a powerful tool. By staying present in the moment, we silence the noise of regrets and worries. This clarity of mind enables us to make decisions aligned with our goals and values, propelling us forward on our journey. Setting meaningful goals takes center stage. When we align our aspirations with our passions, we ignite a fire within us that propels us towards success. Breaking these goals into manageable steps makes the path ahead feel achievable, boosting our confidence with every milestone. Taking inspired action becomes second nature. Armed with a lucky person mindset, we actively seek opportunities that align with our aspirations. We step out of our comfort zones, embrace new experiences, and seize unexpected chances. Every action we take is fueled by the belief that the universe is conspiring in our favor. And as we wrap up this section, remember, adopting the lucky person mindset is not a one-time decision, but an ongoing journey. It's a commitment to positivity, resilience, and personal growth. Each day brings new opportunities to integrate this mindset into our lives, and with each step, we inch closer to our potential for positive change. So, as you go forth from here, keep the lucky person mindset close to your heart. Embrace challenges, set inspiring goals, and take action with unwavering belief. The transformation you'll experience isn't just a possibility, it's a promise waiting to be fulfilled. Thank you for joining us on this journey to unlock the secrets of the lucky person mindset. As you embrace positivity, resilience, and growth, remember that the power to transform your life lies within you. If you found these insights valuable, be sure to tune in to the Power Within podcast for more episodes that empower and inspire. We're here to help you uncover your true potential and create a life filled with luck and abundance. Don't miss out on any future episodes. Like, comment, and subscribe to the Power Within channel to stay updated on the latest content. By subscribing, you'll be part of a community that's dedicated to personal growth and positive change. And if you're ready to dive deeper into the lucky person mindset, don't forget to check out our other episodes and resources on our channel. Together, we'll continue to explore the incredible potential that resides within each of us. Remember, the journey to a more fulfilling and fortunate life starts with your mindset. So, keep embracing the lucky person mindset, and watch as your world transforms before your eyes. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep believing in yourself and unleashing the power within.